ABAT stock, previously known as ABML stock. So the stock has been trading within a very tight range between, or rather since the beginning of November of this year 2023 up till today, the 13th of December 2023. We can equally see that on this daily chart that the momentum is waning. But have a look at this extrapolative or rather autoregressive extrapolation of its price. It's indicating that as things stand right now, yesterday, the last trading session yesterday, the 12th of December 2023, it should be trading at around $8.7, which is over 100% premium to that the $4.03 closing price it had. So that's what the extrapolation is saying. It's and it goes on further to extrapolate even higher prices. 11.77 come Friday the 22nd of December, and then moderates thereafter. We can equally see that on its weekly chart. We can see that on its weekly chart, a very bullish extrapolative forecast of its price. We're looking at as things stand as of Monday the 11th of December. It was extrapolating 12.82. So why all these? I mean, why, given all of these extrapolations, why hasn't the stock why haven't buyers taken heed? Why are they not encouraged? Could it be because of the relatively poor outlook on ABML and its peers? You can see this is the price momentum for or rather peer analysis of the stock in that industry, or the peers of ABML. None of them are really. This is not a very fantastic a very fantastic table. I think the only stock that just has a decent or rather has positive returns over the last 1 year, or rather over the last 1 month, over the last 3 months, and over the last 1 year is pretty much SMG and BIOX, and the rest, including ABML or rather ABAT, they're really not. They're very much mediocre. Some of them, well, broadly speaking, you could say they are, the rest of them are just, very much mediocre. Could it be because of all of that? But in any case, what we know for sure is that it could do better. You and I can see that the stock could do better, and unfortunately, it hasn't. Not much has happened of late. Not much has happened. But given all of that, on this daily chart, we have an upward projection of around $4.96, and then all the way towards 11.44. So it's there's a near confluence in this upper projection of around 11.34 and the autoregressive extrapolation of its price. There's a near confluence at some point. There's a confluence as of Wednesday the 20th of December. There's a crossover there. So at that point, we also have a particular date that is at which that crossover is expected to occur. So you could say yes, there's a confluence there, which is 11.44. But what are the odds? What are the odds that that can play out? Who knows? So just have a look and see what you make of ABML, and we can. I think there's a piece of highlights down here for ABML. I can just quickly have a look at it. Let's see. Okay, so ABML, or rather AB American Battery Technology, currently has a risk rating of 1, which is significantly below the S&P 500 index average rating of 8.9. On days when the market is up, ABAT tends to outperform the S&P 500 index. However, on days when the market is down, the shares are generally decreased by less than the index. In both short-term and long-term periods, ABAT has shown low correlation, greater than or equal to a negative 0.1 and less than 0.2% with the S&P 500 index. Thus, the stock would provide high levels of diversification to a portfolio similar to the broader market. Okay, so that's some positive for ABAT. Okay, over the last 90 days, ABAT shares have been more volatile than the overall market. The stock's daily price fluctuations have exceeded that of all of S&P 500 index firms. So I think amongst other things, you should be heartened by if you have a position in the stock, by this by this assertion that it would provide high levels of diversification to a portfolio similar to the broader market. So yeah, see what you make of it, and if you're holding on, continue to do your analysis, and see how things go. Thank you very much for watching this video.